Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. For this video we'll be doing a hike with Anna and I, hiking to the waterfall and see, exploring the place and see. So let the journey begin. What happened is that we don't know the way to the waterfall. We thought it'd be a good idea to just explore the place, get lost and find our way back. But now we think that was the most silliest decision we've ever made. So we're literally trying to find someone to ask for directions, but we can't find anybody on the way, so we're just going and going. Luckily for me, I have my protein shake here and I have a gigantic bottle of water, so I feel like that'll be good. Hannah!
Hello.
What are you doing?
Coming.
This is like the most insanely beautiful view I've ever seen. This is so gorgeous. We don't get to see places like this regularly. It's really fun and adventurous to explore these beautiful places. This place is damn beautiful, it's crazy. Wow. I also want car hiking, but this hiking me I don't get.
You don't touch it? I guess that from don't know from we don't do it.
I can't. I don't like long walk. And that's my cousin right there, Anna. She's literally tired. Hannah! Hannah, do you think you'll ever come hiking again?
I don't know yet.
Me, it's a no. A big fat no. For some reason, I feel like that stick looked like my ex. Guys, welcome to the vlog. We are hiking to Mambo Waterfall, and it's actually our first time. We don't know the place. Trying to get ourselves lost. Enjoy the vlog. What do you think of all the hiking?
I don't know yet, because we are trying to find the place, and I'm tired already.
Same here. I'm hungry. I'm tired. Wait, so we need to ask inside the place there.
Hi.
Like and subscribe. Luckily for me, I have my boots on, getting ready to go, music on, lock load, and ready to go. Ready for the whole thing. We're exhausted, so let's go. Damn, the final. This way or that way? Let us know down in the comment section what you think. If not, kicha now. Again, they whisper to the other person, say, look foreign as they can.
What the fuck?
I mean foreign to the land. You see?
Hello.
Hello.
That's where to go? Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
Guys, so basically I feel like it's not 10,000.
Yeah. They literally
It should be
rob
less.
us. Honestly, I feel like it's better that they stole from us and they kidnap us and ask for some huge ransom. How much if you say people ain't go pay for it? Hello!
Can you hear me?
I can hear my voice echoing. Was this woman, this girl, she literally got the nickname Mambo.
I'm not laughing. I'm not.
She was like a thick madam. So she came to this place and...
Good afternoon.
Hello.
I did do that. How do walk?
Hi guys, we've reached. We're at Mambo Waterfall now. I look so hot and bothered. Honestly guys, I look so confused right now, and Damn, I love it. I'm loving it. This is cute. I'm loving it.
So guys, we made it, as you can see, and the water is so cold.
I just want to like enter the water right now. I mean guys, it's so weird that now that we're here, what's next? What do we do after?
You sit and relax, you enjoy the atmosphere. I heard that it's true that they go to Napoli, so I thought they missed there.
I don't ever sweat so easy before in my life. So you can get a closer look. Oh my god, that was cold. Wow guys, that was... I never saw myself doing something like that before now. I'm legit struggling to like get to the place. It's hard, it's challenging guys. Can't believe I touched there. And I'm here. It's literally, it's so good, water is so satisfying. God, this is good. This is so good. It's so nice, honestly. You'll love it. I never thought I'll get to love this place the way that I do now, but it's just so good. Oh my god. Hi guys, so thank you guys so much for hiking with us. So we're like getting ready now to return back home. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. To check out Hannah's channel. Oh guys, I'm so full. I want shit.
If you're interested in trying new food, trying new places, check out
This is the vlog. Check it out. Just so you know guys, the place it's a nice experience for sure. You'll love it. If you love nature, you'll want to come here. But for someone like me, those are just for Kayana, you know. And for return back, you'll have to walk. It's so hard.
It's more hard than returning. Because you know when you're like coming,
1 minute you're climbing the hill, the next minute you're climbing down. Climbing up, climbing down. The only good thing is, you know, say whenever you're going up someplace, for go can look long and hard, for return can look short and easy. Yeah. We're finally leaving the waterfall now. We made it. We did it, guys. We're returning home now.
We made it.
Yeah.
Ah.
I feel like I don't accomplish one kind of big thing.
You don't accomplish it. No.
Yeah, because I never ever think I go see myself to do something like this.
But
and now,
so just continue.
damn, I love myself this 2021. Like I don't challenge myself. Maybe I don't.
You do take risks. But if you say no,
Things matters.
do